Welcome to the Arizona Foreclosure Process. My name is Sean Bonini. I'm an associate real estate broker in Scottsdale, Arizona, and team leader at azhomehelp.com. This short video is a brief explanation of the foreclosure process in the state of Arizona. As always, please consult your tax advisor and legal counsel for more information specific to your situation. We are currently seeing a record number of foreclosures, not only across the United States, but here in Arizona as well. Some of the reasons for these high number of foreclosures are high interest loans, mortgage arm resets, the subprime mortgage meltdown, a steep decline of home values both nationally and locally, a bad economy, and low consumer confidence in the market. If you are unable or unwilling to make your mortgage payments, it can be very stressful. You may be feeling overwhelmed and that you feel that there's nothing else you can do, when in fact you have other options. We're not going to get into these options in this video, but here's a quick summary. You could potentially sell your property or do a refinance. Maybe your lender will allow you to do a loan modification or a payment forbearance. You may be able to do a deed in lieu of foreclosure, or something that we specialize in, you may be able to short sell your property. A foreclosure is serious business, and we urge you to do everything you can to avoid a foreclosure, as it can affect you for the next 5 to 10 years of your life. Foreclosures appear not only on your credit history, but they can also affect your future employment, where you plan to live, the integrity of your family, and you will not be able to obtain an institutional loan for 5 years to purchase another property. The process. The bank can begin the foreclosure process at any time when you are late on your payments, but usually don't start the proceedings until you are 30 days late. They then file a notice of trustees sale, and this is when the clock begins to tick. They cannot sell the property until 90 days after the posting of this notice, and you have up until then to reinstate the mortgage. At any time during those 90 days, you may pay any past payments, lender's fees, attorney's fees, court costs, or any additional fees, and your mortgage will be reinstated, and you'll be out of the pre-foreclosure stage and current again. After 90 days, if the payments are not made, the lender may foreclose and sell the property. The lender will make an attempt to sell the property at a trustee's sale on the 91st day or thereafter. However, the lender can postpone this sale indefinitely. Trustee sales are held Monday through Friday. A bidder must pay a deposit to be able to bid. If a bidder is successful, they must pay the property off in full the next day. If no third-party bidder purchases the property, the trustee will usually buy the property for the bank, and then the lender usually sells it as an REO listing, as banks are not in the business of wanting to carry property. To summarize the Arizona foreclosure process, the lender usually will not do anything until after you've been late for 30 days. After that, they will issue the notice of trustees sale, and you then have 90 days to reinstate your mortgage. If you do not choose to reinstate your mortgage during that time, the lender has the right to sell your property anytime after that to the highest successful bidder at a trustees sale. Thank you for joining us today. Please remember that a foreclosure is serious business, and it's rarely in your best interest to allow your property to be foreclosed on. There are many other options available to you, and although it may seem easier to just walk away, I'd like to ask that you explore all of your other options first. Visit us at azhomehelp.com, as we provide a free resource with tons of information about foreclosures, pre-foreclosures, short sales, which happen to be our specialty, and more. Remember, we're just a phone call away. Thanks again. Have a great day.